Okay, we're gonna do a quick room tour of the Hilton Canary Wharf in London. It's actually not like in the heart of London. It is on the wharf, as its name suggests. Here is just outside our room, just a standard hallway. I would not say this is a very fancy Hilton, but it is very clean. And we got adjoining rooms, so we have a room out here for the grown-ups, and then we've got a nice view here. You can see some bridges and some fun things. We're not like in the city center, but it's pretty cool. And then we've got an adjoining room here. I'm just gonna peek in to show you. And the kids are watching TV. Here comes Harry. And anyways, I'm going to show you the restroom real quick. What's really cool is included in the rate is breakfast each morning, which is going to save us a ton of money. And here's the restroom. Got a very nice sink with some supplies, and that's a really, really nice shower and tub. And of course, but yeah, it's very, very clean. Again, very simple. But we shopped around a lot for rooms, and this was a very, very good price. We're a family of 5. We've got teenagers, and you know, we're just a small hotel room is just a little bit too small for us. So to have these adjoining rooms, and we'll peek in, and then they also have their own bathroom. They're gonna ignore me. Look, they're watching TV already. Huge, huge mirror. And then they have, do you guys have a similar bathroom? I think their bathroom is gonna be the same. Yes, look at that. It's exactly the same. So anyways, this was a very, very good deal. They've got 2 beds. Is another bed coming?
Yes.
Yes. So they're getting a rollaway bed. Is there a charge for the rollaway?
I don't know, they said it was,
they forgot to bring it up. Okay, so see, we're even able to get a rollaway at no additional cost. The TV is huge. Look, they do these charming little Union Jack mints on the side. So yeah, it's nothing fancy, but it is, I am very happy. When we walked in, we weren't sure because the rate was very good. And of course, rates change, but we are here during Thanksgiving weekend, which apparently is not a very busy time in London. So that's a hot tip. Rates are pretty good, but the Hilton Canary Wharf Hotel is, at least in our experience, much less expensive than a lot of the other places that we looked at. So for a family of 5, you can get 2 hotel rooms and breakfast in the morning. So we're very, very excited about that. And we're gonna be sharing more about London later. Bye.